Asking a question about Chaitanya Charitamrita, Gaur Lila, Anti Lila chapter 1, verse 106. Is that right? 106, only one verse or two?
It's one verse, one word.
Sarvabhauma Ramanande Pariksha Karite Shirupera Guna Dun Hare Lagila Kahite. Sarvabhauma Ramanande Pariksha Karite Rupagun. The verse is translated quite correctly. It says, to examine, everyone knows the word Pariksha from the Bhagavatam, King Parikshit, the examiner, he was everywhere looking for Krishna. So that word is here, Pariksha Karite. Mahaprabhu wanted to examine Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and Ramananda Roy. So then he began to praise the transcendental qualities of Rupa Goswami before them. So the question is, why is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu using the word examination? Well, to understand one verse in isolation of a particular chapter, we should best read the entire preceding section and maybe subsequent sections to tie the whole verse together in terms of context. Context means the position, the timing, the place. What happened before this verse was spoken and what happened afterward, that we can understand. And what I'm speaking now is teaching you how to understand Shastra. So you're just, because you may be just reading, then all of a sudden you've already read before, then you see a verse and it strikes you, oh, Parikshit. So now you're going forward in your car, oh, there was a fork in the road, I took the wrong one, and you put it in reverse. And then fork in the road, I went the wrong way, so then I go that. So now you back up from verse 106, which is your question, and you go back to the beginning. So the whole idea is that Rupa Goswami has appeared on the scene in Puri. He has been walking from Navadvip, Rupa Goswami Pad, and he entered Orissa. And there's one small village which I personally visited. I went there to that place and I saw the tree I saw the tree, and there's a mandir there, a small ashram, where Rupa Goswami had the dream. So while Rupa Goswami was walking to Jagannath Puri to spend Chaturmasya in the association of Mahaprabhu and all the great devotees there, like Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and Ramananda Roy and Jagannatha Pandit and Sri Haridas Thakur and Kaniya Kutia and all the Oriya and Vaishnavas. So many great devotees, of course, were already there. So he had started writing a drama, a lila, a drama about Radha and Krishna's pastimes. And he had one drama means play. A drama means there's many speaking parts, there's many scene changes and speaking parts. It's like a play, like a movie. Drama, play, we say movies now because no one goes to a play. Play is on the stage and there's live actors and the audience is sitting there. You understand? So this is a meaning of drama. So now we just watch the movie, we sit in a theater, cinema, and there's a hero and there's a heroine and there's action scenes and there's so many things. So this is called drama, play, or now we say cinema or movie. You understand? So he wrote this, and in this drama, there's one book he wrote, and he divided it into two halves. Radha and Krishna in Milan, Sambhog Milan, meeting together and enjoying together in Vrindavan, in union and no separation for any length of time. And then that was called Vidagdha Madhav, part 1.